Hey y'all, I'm cooking tonight. We're gonna make chicken nachos, so let me show you how we do it. First, we're gonna put a layer of chips. This is my side and this is Mama's side because I'm gonna put stuff on hers that I don't like on mine. This is one of them. She likes tomatoes on hers, so I'm gonna put a little bit of rotel on hers. I'm trying to strain as much water off of them as I can. That way it doesn't make the chips soggy. She also likes beans on hers, so I'm gonna use this Amigos bean dip. It's not working. We love it when we find this rotisserie chicken already peeled off the bone at Walmart. So I'm just gonna take this and spread it all over our nachos. We got the oven preheating to 400. Now we're just gonna put some cheddar cheese sauce on ours. I'm gonna save the rest of this cheese for my sister. She likes to put it on her French fries. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some Mexican blend cheese on both of ours. Mama wants some diced pickled jalapeños.
Careful, y'all, cheese.
In the oven it goes. We're gonna have our nachos with some spicy Mexican style rice. I'm putting some water in here, not that much though. It was just a couple tablespoons. Basically just warming this up. We're taking it out now. Here's what they look like.
Ooh-wee! I'm blessed tonight, look. It's still hot, he just took it out of the oven. We got us some sour cream and some hot sauce. We're ready to eat.
You make your plate first.
Well, thank you. These look so good, y'all. I'm gonna cut me one down the middle. Try to get it all in one piece. Look at there. It's almost like a little Mexican pizza, but it's chips under there. Oh, I gotta scoot it over. Get me some rice. Y'all know I want me some hot sauce on mine. That's what we're looking like. And I'm gonna put me some sour cream on it too. Thank you, Kaden.
You're welcome.
I love you. Stay classy.